Okay, number 9, we got Wendy, and she has set up an ordinary annuity to save her retirement home in 15 years. So she's starting right now. This is going to happen. This is going to go on for 15 years. Her monthly payments are $600. Her annuity has an annual interest rate of 6.7%. What will be the value of the annuity when she retires? Okay, since they did not tell me, oh, they said it was an ordinary annuity, so that I think is the reason why yeah, they didn't say anything about compounding quarterly or anything like that, so I am going to assume that since they're monthly payments, it will be a monthly compounding. That's what I'm going with. All right, and that's actually going to give me the right answer anyway, so okay. So I'm getting tired of writing the original formula down, so we are looking for A, right? And then our monthly payments are $600. That is your R. So that goes right here. Times. And then it's 1 plus R over M. Little r is your interest rate. That's your little r. And 6.7 divided by 100 is 0.067. So I need a 0.067 over, and I'm just going to go with 12 times a year because there isn't any other information about it. So, and then raise that to the nth power. Now n is going to be 12 times a year for the next 15 years. So 12 times 15 is 180. That's your exponent. Ooh, 180. And then don't forget it's minus 1 divided by 12 over m down here, so 0.067 over 12 on that one. And once again, it's you and your calculator, so you're going to have to practice this a few times to get it down.